Bagong tila ko gay mo ko. Harap pa nila. Ini ay. Okay. Yan, tapos
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? Then how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye, you can't hide all this loneliness inside, so you weep and cry by yourself to sleep at night. Now fear consumes your mind. What if I'm not too caught up for this life? Oh, I've never seen you act this way, so I came, booked a one-way to LA, gave up everything, paused my job and changed my name so I could prove to you, hey, what you told me was true. You said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? And how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you?
Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I'm one saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay.
Pasang labi iba may pinabutay. Labi iba may pinabutay.
Kaya kan sa likod ko.
Ayan ang aking kuyang Pogi. Ayan, dumating na galing silang. Ayan. Si Kabishi Mix Vlog. Nanay Linda Bishi. Oh, na naman yan. Ayan ang iyong pinakahinihintay.
Wagan puli.
Oh. Iyak-iyak man.
Wa puli gila. Bagong tina ang gari mo ko. Ang araw pang nilaki.
Shout out Kabishi Mix Vlog.
Ya, mga nagay daw ko pa kayo kay hindi na si Lola.
Kalibutan ko ba
Pitala niya. Ano ko ko.
Hindi niya alam. Kasi kung sinumbong mo yun, nasa ano pa lang ako, tawag yun ang tawag. Hindi ako makapaglakad.
Bilis!
Ayusin mo lang dahan-dahan lang, wag mo lakasan. Oh. Wag mo lakasan, ho. Wag mo bilisan. Kay takot pa naman ako. Kaya mo dyan, Stolay? Kaya mo ha? Baka mamaya maano tayo ha? Dandahanin mo lang, iyan mo yung paa mo kung hindi kaya. Wala, doon pa lang, muntik na. Ayan guys, dito tayo sa may hangin bridge ng Tabok. Ayan, dito yan. Yeah. Dapat yung mababa lang parang motor ang dinala mo. Makapagpalit kasi nung mababang motor doon. Wala na, ano na sila. Ayan pala, magpalit ka. Ito, palit ka.
Hindi kaya mo to drive?
Palit daw kayo, hindi niya mas...
Hindi ko masyado mabot. Taas.
Ayan. Ayan ang hangin bridge. Hindi masyado nito. Muntik kami ay! Uy, sandali, sandali. Dali, dali. Baba ako. Baba ako eh. Ayan. Patong na sa ako. Tumatong ka. Patong na sa ako.
Naka-rider kami dito.
Ah.
matching the vibes. Would you still love me at night? Would you whisper that you're proud? But no, I've never been so sure this is my purpose in life. And so I drive to New York City with a dollar and dream. I speak my mind to this
Tulay na bakal.
this world that can stop me now. When this take off like 3, 2.
Ito talaga ang ipinunta namin dito. Yung tulay na bakal. Kahit mainit. Yan, sige. Ayun. Ayan ang tulay na bakal. Okay. Yan. Tapos, meron doon. Sama.
Pwede man dirata mo sila, ano mo?
Oo.
Ano mo, galahan mo.
Ganda. Ganda, oh. Oh, di ba sa dami namin, no? Oh. Ang dami namin. Okay? Una, Sel. Kay... Dito ako magbaba. Dito ako magbaba. Yeah! Agoy! Agoy!
Ha?
Nanay Linda TV! Hi! Hi sa vlog! Sabi si Mix Vlog, princess na maganda. Ayan. Tatay Roy. Ang pogi.
Ito kami, nakarating
Ah.
Yung papa.
Hoy, hoy, Kabayang.
Oy,
Kabayang TV.
hello.
Hi kayo sa vlog. Kabanding.
Walang boses si Kapante.
Ayan, si Kabanding wala ng boses. Nakakanta. Ang mga gwapings. Gwapings ng tabok. Ayan. Tayo sa vlog. Hi kayo naman.
Alipan.
Oh. 0.5 peso lang.
Picture mo na.
0.5 lang, hindi. Ang isang ilaw, Troy!
Ano?
Galit ang pala. Hindi ko kasi anak dito. Baka nandito pa dito.
Oh, ito na lang nakambihan.
Kainit! Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa may Siburan Bridge. Ayan, dito muna. Ayan o. Taplayan. Yan. Hindi na kami makapunta doon kasi late na kami sa aming pupuntahan. Tinatawagan na sila.
Ayos na. Hindi. Sa hapon mo na yan, di ba?
Hoy, harap kayo dito.
Kaya tignan pa uwi.
Harap. Hi kayo sa vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, Le.
Hi kayo kay Tay.
Hi.
Mga binata yan. Lahat yan, mga binata.
Ako lang.
Sabi niyo din yan, nalulula ako sa inyo.
You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in the dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the weak, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head make me forget I'm such a mess. overdosing, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion. When the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin. I'm on the brink of my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it. Still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion. But when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.
Hi guys! Ayan, pupunta kami ng Niogan. Yan. Madamo kami, madamo. Ay!
Dapat ay gidasi. Dapat ay mong gidasi ko rin mao. Sige, para sa amin sponsor. Oh, ay magadi si Kuan.
Butong kami guys, kaya walang butong sa amin.
Bida mo giro na ipa.
Oh, tingnan mo yung nulog mo sa kabila.
Wala naman.
Naningguro ka gano'y. Naningguro ka
Kailan na yung dyan, eh bilangin yan.
Saan ang kutsara? Oy,
Oh?
huwag nyo ipasama sa bilang ang walang laman.
Saan yung kutsara?
Nahulog yan dito kanina.
Uy, tatagalan ni Toto.
Sa kanyang lolo.
Gari.
Salaman ka kutsara sa iyo.
May unod. Ayan, ito ang tinda ni Kabanding. Ayan, may palamig, meron cheese stick, merong lumpia. Tapos ito wrapper. Meron silang El Diablo. Mayroong banana cone. Tapos ngayon, maglalako tayo ng turon. Ayan. Dala mo dito, dala mo dito. Oo. Ayan, ito ang ating lalako. Yan. Maglalako na tayo, guys. Okay? Okay, siya. Taran! Ito kay Ani. Bili-bili na kayo ng turon. Ay, naman tao dire. Hoy! Paling na ba ni kay Gapoy na po? Bigyan mo mamalitron. Eh, tabog ko din. Tabog ko din, bigyan ko mo mamalit.
Mamakarmi mo nga.
Uy, kalisod ning mahirap po eh.
Amin, te.
One. Anim. Hindi pa ginawa 10. 10 na. Ayan, 10.
Okay, ilan yan?
5 piso isa.
Ito, mas nila.
Magkano ba yan?
20, 40, 50.
Ay, thank you. Ito na. May bayad na.
Pamasahe sa pag-uwi, magka...
Kasya hanggang ano lang. Pamasahe sa papunta na lang. Kasya.
Exercise araw-araw. Oh, wala.
Tara, meron pang 10.
Pa. Okay natin.
Dito na, balik tayo dito. Ilakat na natin ito baon sa ano. Bili kayo, hindi kayo bibili. Sige lang. Kay lola mo pala. Wapo eh, wapo. Ganda. Tekte ay, tekte. Mga tekte. Huwag kayong magganyan, nagpatamay ang ulo nyo.
Ito kasi oh. Agabidyo. Ito si Senyo.
Masaw-saw lang na, basta.
Ang dami kami nga ako.
Ipamlagay ko sa cellphone na yun kay Kilen. Vlogger guys.
Alas niya, nagawa. Uy, tagalan na yung
Init ko.
Ay, sa punta niya talaga, malamig ang tubig pala. Ay,
Kahit sa pambata. Malamig.
Hindi, maganda to kay
wala maganda solo. Hindi, ano ka bukas, Lunes? Oo, punta tayo bukas doon.
Sige nga to.
Magdala lang kayo ng kanyang lugar. Apoy na, mag-disco pa naman sa gabi. Eh, likod na.
Bakit pupunta pa doon? Di ba hindi na? Hindi na pupunta doon.
Pero amoy chlorine pa rin siya, be. Amoy chlorine. Amoy chlorine.
Meron pa rin yan.
Amoy chlorine. Ang punta nila walang chlorine. Malapit kasi ang gusto nila.
Starring din ay. Oh. Ayun guys, dito na tayo sa may simbahan. Ito yung simbahan ng Sablayan. Ayun, dumarating na ang mga girls, boys. Nandito tayo sa loob ng simbahan. Ang mga donya.
Danya.
Isa pang donya. No. Nanay Linda TV. Please subscribe. Hi. Nanay Linda TV.
Thank you, Carmelita.
Morales TV. Ay, ang isa pang donya.
Miss Kabayan.
Oh. Kabayang TV.
Representative.
Oh, ang mukha ni Dave. Kayo, wag muna kayo sumunod ha.
Ha?
Magtapos muna.
Sunod kami, sunod. Saluhin mo yung ano.
Ito ay sa YouTube pa. Salin nyo naman ako.
Where do I go? Where do I go from here? I lost my soul. Tell me now isn't there? Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
And what's the price you'll pay for you to be famous? It's not a lot these days, and so she signs her life away, her signature's painless. And now the suits have got her hooked, but she's definitely in it for all of the wrong reasons. Doesn't even matter if no one can believe it. It's all in a lover's scheme to make some money for the team. But she can slip away in the cycle of four seasons. Spiral out of orbit, a skeleton not breathing. How many goddamn times do I have to dig you out your grave?
Ayan, ganyan to sila nagmamahalan ng dalawa. Kaya yung kaso ng mga woman natin, karanasindan. Kaya na nakalapat. Mabuti na lang, sa sir, sa aking concern. Mabuti matapos sa kalupusan nila gaya mo ng talingog na ako.
Because everything you wanted, don't hold your breath no more. And don't you cry no more. This is everything you wanted. Hollywood adores you. Cause right now you're fun and beautiful, but that time don't wait for no one, baby. And no amount of money can make you young again. No amount of fame can bring me back to you. Shut up and on high alert when I warned you first. She's definitely in it for all of the wrong reasons. Doesn't even matter if no one can believe. It's all an elaborate scheme to make some money for the team. She can slip away in the cycle of four seasons. Spiral out of orbit, a skeleton not breathing. How many goddamn times do I have to dig you out your grave? Oh, wish you remember the reasons that once sparked the fire in your heart. Holding on to the leftover pieces, trying to make sense of what is left. Think it's everything you wanted, to hold your breath no more.
gabi pa sila aalis kasi magbabagka lang sila. Ako ay pauwi na ng Batangas, ay pauwi na ng Pampanga pala. Dito ako ngayon sa may Grand Terminal. Yan. Okay guys, abang-abang lang sa aking mga upload. Busy lang ang aking editor. Okay, vacation granted tayo. 10 days yata ako dito sa may Mindoro. Okay guys, kamaya na ulit. Bye!
I hope your father will like me, 'cause I know his expectations high. And somewhere in adolescence it told